Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. I have got Riley and Lexi here to unbox clothing.
Yes.
We love to shop, so we're going to shop out of this box.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to check out all these articles of clothing. This is from a company in California. We used to order from them all the time, these boxes of clothing. We haven't done it in a while, and so these are kind of like higher-end mall store types of clothing, so they're going to be a lot more name brands. Hoping to see maybe some Calvin Klein, Karen Scott, Ralph Lauren, things like that. So let's go ahead and get into this box and see what we find. Alright, just as a teaser, make sure you stay tuned to the very end of this video because we have something really fun and just to kind of show you some fun things we do when we're not being serious at work.
Yeah.
So, this is a company, like I said, that's going to be more name brand clothing pieces. Our goal is to actually list a lot of this on Hooked on Pickin. If you don't see it there, then we'll probably have it on one of our fire sales. So, let's go ahead and look through all these things. So this is OX Elfani. So that's like Macy's, I think, sells.
What does OX mean?
OX is kind of like, you know how you have 1X?
Yeah.
It's a plus size brand, but it's one step down from 1X.
Okay.
So it's very similar to extra large, but it's cut differently. But we can go ahead and take these things out of the bags so we can show exactly what they are. Just make sure we, and the cool thing about this is all of the tags are going to be on it. You want to show the article of clothing you have, Riley? Ooh, that's a cute top.
It's a very cute purple
Style Co.
Styling company?
Styling company.
Yep, it's medium.
Medium. This is a petite medium. I think Caspium.
Yep.
Is that what that means? Here's this.
Not to be confused with nighttime.
Nighttime, yes. It's cute though.
It is cute.
It's a nice casual.
You would actually wear that, I think.
Yeah.
That's cute.
Yeah.
I like it.
Then here's what that OX white shirt is.
Alfani? Is that what
Elfani is the
Is that
brand.
nice?
Yep, that is.
Boom. Moving on. Keep it going.
Alright, there you go. You get one.
You?
You get one.
Okay.
And I get one. Okay, this one is called Hippie Rose. This is more of a juniors brand. This is size extra large, and it's like a kind of like a crop top.
Kind of.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably kind of like a crop.
Yeah.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Depending on what you wear. This
What
is
do you
an
got?
extra large style company again. This is a nice summery spring shirt. It's cute.
It is cute.
And then
Like it?
I have a skirt.
Oh, that's actually
Yeah,
cute.
extra
That's
large.
really cute.
It is a very cute
Nice
skirt.
skirt.
That's cute.
That's super cute.
That is skirt.
That is skirt.
That
Okay.
is skirt. I would say that is cute.
You want to kind of look in the box?
That
and show
is
how
skirt,
packed
guys.
this is? So we just have clothes upon clothes upon clothes. So tons of clothes. All right, let's keep looking. We're gonna show you everything in this box.
Oh, this is Macy's.
Okay.
Size is it? Let's see if I can find a size. Size is. Oh no, it's gone. The size is gone.
Is it cut off?
It looks like a small.
Yeah,
I would
it does.
say.
If you want to come closer and look at it, maybe you can. So it's kind of one of those stretch. I think it's supposed to be a dress, not for sure though.
Or it could be a shirt.
Could be a shirt too. Yeah.
I have a Karen Scott 1X long sleeve black top with 3/4 length sleeves.
That's nice.
Okay, I have an INC extra large top.
International Concepts.
Yep.
Looks like kind of cheetah print almost.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. This is Alfred. The other thing
Dunner.
is Dunner. It is a petite small. You want to come see?
Oh, we can see it fine. Don't worry.
You can.
Yep. Remember, the camera zooms in a little bit, so.
Oh yeah.
It's cool. It's got like flowers all on it and stuff.
Yeah.
All right, I've got an extra large styling company
Look
hoodie.
at that.
That'd be
That's
perfect.
cool. Valentine's Day maybe, or just any day.
Wear it on your anniversary,
Oh, that's a good idea.
Ooh.
or just wear it because you want to be cute that day.
Okay, I have a bar 3 small.
That's like a almost like a halter.
Is it
It's a
a-
jumper.
Yeah, it
Is
jumper.
it?
Mhm.
Yeah, it's shorts.
Oh,
it's
I
a
didn't
jumper.
even notice that. It's really cute.
That is cute.
Okay, let's see what this is. This is
All right.
another hippie rose, I think, so the junior
Yeah.
kind of size. This is a medium. Looks like another kind of crop shirt. It's light purple. It's cute though.
This one is a size small. That's very tiny. This brand is called Ultra Flirt.
ultra.
Ultra flirt. Not just a regular, but an ultra.
I'm flirting that.
Cute.
Yep. You can only wear that if you're planning on flirting with someone.
Yes.
Oh, right. Okay, I have an extra large bodysuit.
Oh, nice.
That's cute. Those are totally coming back in style.
Bodysuits
They
are just.
are.
It's easier because you don't have to like keep tucking it back
Yeah.
in.
Yeah. And you don't get all. This is size medium, Karen Scott.
Oh, I found another
top?
Karen Scott, and this
you?
is a like peach orange. This is a large though.
That's cute.
Oh, look at this. Man, we got a lot of hippie rose.
This is called Selfie is the brand, and this is another
Selfie.
Oh.
another
Oh, it's the same one.
bodysuit. Yep.
Cute.
Okay.
This is another hippie rose. Is definitely like it's very summery.
Oh, yeah. I have
Very
another
summery.
bar 3.
Cute.
Is that supposed to be a
it's a
shirt like a
maybe?
tube top?
I think
almost?
it is a tube top. It's
Yeah.
the 2X.
Here you go.
James, do you know what a tube top is?
No clue.
Yep.
I know it's a very large mask is what it looks like.
Oh.
Like
Very
one of those
large
gators.
mask.
One of
Yeah,
those
it's
gators.
A headband. That's what it is.
Yeah. it's
Oh
a
yeah,
giant-
real big headband for giants.
For giants. All right, here I'm going to show you this big long kind of one.
Oh,
This
look
is International Concepts extra large, and this cute jumper, fun geometric pattern in that with a belt.
Okay, so I have a Michael Kors 2X. Looks like dress.
Ooh, Michael
I'm
Kors.
just gonna put
That's
it here. So you can see.
cute.
That is very cute. Not my size, but very cute.
Okay. I have another jumper from Studios, size medium. It's a cute little black one.
Cute, cute. Oh, look at this. I think this is another dress.
Okay, this
for it.
is another. Oh, this is a dress. I think that's the
Oh
back.
wow, yeah. That's a
No,
cool
this
dress.
is the front. This is the front.
Is it the front?
Yeah.
Yeah,
This is
Oh
the
yeah, it
bag.
goes like this. See?
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see that.
Yeah.
Kinda like
International
cool.
Concepts.
Cool.
2X.
Cool.
That's cute.
We
For your
have
wild side.
bar 3 extra small, and this is a dress. It's like one of those like tighter dresses. If you guys are into that, I don't know.
Like the bodycon dresses.
Yeah, it's
Ooh.
more of like a pale color, white-ish, off-white.
Okay. I have another bar 3 tube top, fun brown, and it's a 1X. Really simple thing.
Ooh, Tommy Hilfiger.
Oh, these are the same.
Okay, so this
That's
is
cute.
it's a very nice summery outfit. This is a size 12. Very cute, very cute. James, you look nice. Okay.
No. Actually, Lexi, you'd probably keep that if it was your size.
Yeah, it's very
Yeah.
cute.
Here, you want to open that one?
Ooh,
This is a really hot pink.
that is bright.
Bright 3X. I like that we're getting a variety of
I
sizes.
feel like, yeah, we're definitely getting a lot of
Yeah.
different.
This is International Concepts. So I think this is all like JCPenney's, Macy kind of
Yeah.
style clothing.
Yeah, you would walk into a mall and see a lot of this. Oh, this comes with a nice little necklace.
Is it attached?
That's
You
JM
can
Collection.
take it off. It's JM Collection. It is large. I'll show you this.
That's cute.
If I get close, you can see the necklace.
Yeah.
Excuse me. Sorry, I did not see it's on the shirt. It's cute though. I like this shirt.
Okay. I have a size medium, little shirt, and then it comes with a small as well. We have 2 of them. So that's very nice.
Look at this shirt.
And because it's the dead middle of summer, everybody needs this.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah.
Oh yeah. Mhm.
That is exactly what
It's
I
a
want.
That's what we need.
Karen Scott. Absolutely.
Look at this shirt. This is a JM Collection. It's a medium. Very fun.
Oh, this has like a
And it has cold shoulder. Very much pattern. Oh, that'd be cute though. I like it. It's cool.
Okay. Bar 3. It's a
Ooh,
very unique
yeah.
top.
There we go.
It could be.
I mean, you could like wear it on buttons.
Yeah.
But yeah,
It's
it
very
is
unique.
definitely unique.
What color is that? Red, orange?
I think it's
Orange
red and orange.
and red.
Yep.
Okay.
I
Okay.
would not have put that color combo together.
No.
No, but you know, it's somebody's taste, right?
Yes, it
Could
is.
be one of your tastes. Okay. Oh, look at this thing. This is a size 6.
White. That's a women's.
Look at that. It's a white, like, suit coat-ish.
Mhm.
This is very nice. I like it. Might be stealing it.
I've got some short regular fit size 10 cutoff shorts.
Oh.
These are size 10 with a they're 10/30, so I think it has both sizes. But then we also have a 14.
14?
We have a 8,
Great.
and we have another 8.
Hey, Grandpa has a pair of cutoff shorts, doesn't he?
Grandpa has a pair of cutoff shorts?
Yeah, he has a pair of
This
cutoff
short?
shorts. Yeah.
I hope they're not that.
hope
Hey, no.
not.
They're not that short. It was on vacation, remember?
Oh,
Yeah,
He like
took a
his
pair of
jeans.
scissors to his jeans.
Oh, he just cut it.
He made his own.
Okay.
He just is a fashionista. That's what.
That's
what
Mhm.
it is.
Yeah.
All right, these are a pair of size 0 green
Oh, those
shorts.
are nice.
They are
Those
cute.
are
Can you see
cute.
Faith wearing those?
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
This is a size, let me find, 16. They're like the same kind, just bigger and different color. Nice.
Okay, and I got a tube top. It's a size medium. It has like long sleeves.
Oh, it's a turtleneck?
yeah.
I'm trying to think of what
Oh, yeah, that would have.
style is called.
A
Because I-
turtleneck?
No,
the
that wide, the
sleeves,
wide sleeves is
Oh,
called something.
Because this is like where the
Oh,
wrist
where you're,
goes.
but it's
Yeah.
bigger.
Uh-huh.
These are a pair of size 10
Very
International
summery.
Concepts. Original price is $69.
Ooh. Hey, this could be cheaper than that, eh? Okay. Oh,
Sick.
is this the pants that match that thing?
The suit on top?
Oh, oh. Actually, I have no.
No, those are 26W, so they're pants. They're
They, are,
crop
they
pants.
say they are capris.
Work well with that suit coat.
Yeah, they would work well, but
They
they're
would work
different
well.
sizes.
Different sizes.
Oh.
Just plain kind of white. Does not have belt loops, but that makes it probably more comfortable.
Lay those out.
Riley, what do you got?
I got some size 22W shorts style.
What's the
And,
original price on those?
$44.50.
$4.50. Cheaper than that on Hookup Pickin.
Oh, yes, they are.
These are size 16 shorts.
Oh, they're fun.
Oh, those are cute.
They are cute.
This is a pair of shorts. It is Karen Scott, and they're 7 inching. So if you like the kind of longer short, they say they hit like right above the knee.
Mm.
So
Okay.
different kind of style. Cute. Oh, same thing.
Yeah, these are 8-inch inseam.
Oh, those are 8-inch. So those
Yeah.
are longer.
Yep, Karen Scott.
Cool.
Here, let me take a look in the
Go ahead.
box.
We are destroying this box.
Ain't much left.
Nope.
Keep it going. Okay, you have shorts? Oh, go ahead.
Okay, I have a size 6 shorts. They're green. They're mid-rise. So, these look really cute. You can wear them summer, anytime.
I like that waistband. That's comfortable.
I understand about half of what you guys are saying.
Okay.
Yes.
This is a size 10 black shorts. I think they're black. Yep, black.
Lexi and Faith take James shopping.
Yes, we took James shopping before college, right, James?
Mm-hmm.
These are a
Do you
size.
wear any of the things we got you?
I wear the clothing. I don't know if it's what's supposed to match with what, but I do wear them.
Great.
Size large cotton shorts.
Those look
Yeah.
comfortable.
Original
look
price
very comfortable.
$34.
This morning I was wearing burgundy with purple shorts. I don't know if that I think that was pretty good. I looked in the mirror and I'm like, yeah, that kind of matches. They're both kind of purple.
Yeah, no.
Just like those pants over there.
These beautiful
Yes,
pants.
those are burgundy. Good job, James.
Yes.
They're 10p.
10 petite.
Thank you. And then the original price is $49.99.
Those are dress
Wow.
pants.
They're
Those are
skinny tummy control.
nice.
Amazing.
Cute. We have a nice black pencil skirt that's a little bit longer. This is an extra small. Very nice.
Why do you think they call it a pencil skirt, James?
Because you can put a very large pencil in there.
Why do they call it pencil
Because it's straight like that.
Yeah,
like a
it's
pencil.
straight.
Yeah.
Okay. That's what I was guessing, but
Yeah. I like James's.
I like that you can put a very large pencil in
Yes.
it.
If you have a very large pencil,
could wear
Put
it.
it
we
in
now
your-
have clothing to clothe your pencil. Because this whole time, your very large pencil has been naked.
Oh, yeah.
All right, we've got Alfred Dunner. These are 20W. Nice pair of burgundy dress pants with little pleats, like makeshift pleats in there. Elastic waistband. Original price $53.
Hmm.
We have another pair of white pants. I think that they're the same kind as the other kind, just these are 10L.
10 long.
10 long. A little too long for me. A little too long. Not very tall.
It's okay. Okay, I got a nice pair of black pants. They're slim leg, tummy controlled, 28W, and then the original price is $79.50. Okay.
Only a few more things left. You want to see?
Only a few more. We can see the bottom of the box.
Ooh. And you guys will have to excuse my recording. I know we're most of the way through at this point, but yeah. I don't know. I'm not as smooth as my dad is with this kind of stuff.
You're making it work. We have more of those. They're like just like the white pants, but they're burgundy. And this is a zero petite. Nice, nice.
Nice.
I got a pair of size small, skinny leg, but these are cool. Look at
Are
them. They're pleather.
Oh.
pleather? Sure.
Leather with elastic, but they're regular cotton on the back, so they'll actually breathe. But these are your style.
Oh yeah.
Not your style, James.
Okay.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Someone's style out there. There are some of our viewers, they can pull them off.
That's very true. Okay, I have a 24 US. And then they have like
Oh, they're like corduroy,
Uh-huh.
but they're not.
are they
they're
flare?
stretchy.
They're flare.
And
and
they're-
they're flare at the bottom.
Flare leggings are really cute, and they're back in style.
Yeah, look, they even have
Flare,
cute little
flare
sleeves.
leggings?
We'll have to figure out how to get the
We'll figure it out.
alarm off.
Usually a magnet.
Yeah.
Riley stole those. That's,
My bad. They look really cute.
Do they call them flare leggings because they light on fire when you walk?
Yes.
Okay, good. I'm glad I got that cleared
No,
up.
that means you're on fire when you're wearing that.
Mm.
It's very true.
Yeah.
Boop.
So I have more of these black Alfani pants. They are 20W, 20 wide, and they're nice. Nice everyday business pants. Boom.
Just a few more articles, and look.
Is that it?
So just what is in front of me is all that's left.
Okay. This is a pair we've seen a few times. It's a 28W.
$80 original price.
Wow.
Tummy control.
We have a little cardigan.
Oh,
Kind of like a burgundy,
It's got the
red.
Yeah.
and it's got the smock style pockets.
Yes. It is Style & Co. It's plus size 2X.
Hmm.
Ooh, what is this?
What do we got over there, Riley?
Okay, we have a very pink little long sleeve, a large.
It's like a tunic length. It's got the little
Uh-huh.
side slits.
This is a very nice shirt. It's from I&C.
Okay.
Oh, this is like a t-shirt dress.
Those are fun.
Ooh.
Yeah. So it's black. Is this black?
Yeah, that's
Black.
black.
Yeah, that is black.
Actually, is it black or navy?
I think it's black, but navy and lights.
Yeah, probably.
Well, my recording looks a little bit more navy.
It has pockets, guys.
Ooh, it does have pockets.
Winner, chicken dinner right there.
Mhm.
All right. So extra large is the size on this t-shirt dress. Style & Company. And it was original price $50.
We have another Style & Company. It's 3X. And what everybody needs right now is
When
nice
it's
weather.
When it's 95 degrees
It makes
out.
me think of 4th of July.
It does.
Just add
The
some
red
blue
or Christmas.
or Christmas.
That'd be cute.
Perfect.
All right, so you will find all of these items on hookedonpickin.com. Check our clothing section. If you don't see it there, it's going to be on a future fire sale. So thanks so much for joining us, and thank you, Riley and Lexi, for displaying all the items, and then teaching James a few things about fashion and giant pencils.
Yep.
So thanks so much for joining us, and of course, remember in the end, Jesus wins.
Check out our blooper.
Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. We're here to unbox a box from our California company that's going to be random stuff that we find in this box. And okay, let's get to unboxing. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.